good morning, guys! Today is my birthday! So, karon magkiyat-kiyat sa karon no, kay birthday man. Morning, karon guys, na ako diri. Naadi ko na-receive nga gift pack. Gift pack from our cousin from Ontario. From Ate Ann and Shannon and Vary and James. So thank you so much sa birthday gift. So na-open na ni siya nako guys. Oh, i-open na nako siya guys. Mo ni siya guys. Socks. Oh, tanaw guys. Nice guys siya guys. Oh, tanaw siya guys. From Cake Products. So, thank you. Nya na pa jud ko dere. Gloss, lip gloss. And look. And a birthday card. Oh, and I have another hand cream from Cake. Ooh. And then look at this guys. Oh, and also this very nice. And we have another one is a perfume. So nice from Calgon. Oh, so maura ni siya guys. Thank you so much to Shannon, Ate Ann, Vary and James from Ontario. Thank you. Okay, bye. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye.